A game named 5 Crowns? Naturally, I claimed it as my own. It's Rummy, but rebuilt. 2 decks, 5 suits, no aces, and a wild card that changes every single round, which means the game keeps reshuffling the rules of power right under your nose. Welcome back to the ABCs of table games. The letter of the day is F for 5 Crowns. If you've ever played Rummy or Gin, you're 80% of the way there already. 5 Crowns takes that familiar skeleton, collect sets, collect runs, go out first, and adds 2 twists that make it endlessly replayable. The hand grows by 1 card every round, and the wild card rotates with it. It's the game grandmothers use to destroy their grandchildren, politely. By the end of this video, you'll know the deck, the structure, how to build books and runs, how the rotating wilds work, and how the scoring punishes the slow. Let us begin. Point number 1. The deck itself. Because this is not a normal deck of cards, and that matters. 5 Crowns is played with its own special double deck. 5 suits instead of 4, the usual hearts, spades, clubs, and diamonds, are joined by stars. Each suit runs from 3 up to king. No aces, no 2s. Everything comes in duplicate. It's 2 full decks shuffled together, plus a handful of jokers, which are always wild. Always. Point number 2. The shape of the game. The game lasts exactly 11 rounds. In round 1, everyone is dealt 3 cards. Each round after, the deal grows by 1. 4 cards in round 2, 5 in round 3, all the way to 13 cards in the final round. After the deal, the rest of the deck sits in the middle as the draw pile, with the top card flipped face up to start the discard pile. The goal of the whole game: finish all 11 rounds with the lowest total score. Points are bad in this kingdom. Every card left in your hand when a round ends costs you. That growing hand is the genius of the design. Early rounds are quick little skirmishes. Late rounds are sprawling campaigns where you're juggling 13 cards and praying. Point number 3, the turn. Simple rhythm familiar to any rummy player. Play starts left of the dealer and moves clockwise. On your turn, draw 1 card from the top of the draw pile or the top of the discard pile, your choice. Then discard 1 card face up to end your turn. In between, you're quietly assembling your hand into 2 kinds of structures. A book, 3 or more cards of the same value. Suits don't matter, duplicates are fine. 3 sevens is a book. So is 4 sevens, where 2 of them are both hearts. A run, 3 or more consecutive cards of the same suit. 5, 6, 7 of stars, that's a run. You hold everything in your hand until you can go out, meaning your entire hand arranges into books and runs with 1 card left over to discard. Lay it all down, discard the last card, and the round ends with you at 0. End game of each round, and the 1 last chance rule that saves your dignity. The moment a player goes out, full hand laid down in books and runs, final card discarded, the alarm bells ring. But the round isn't over instantly. Every other player gets 1 final turn. Draw as normal, lay down any books and runs you've completed, then discard. Whatever you manage to table doesn't count against you. 1 royal restriction: you may not add your cards onto other players' books and runs. Your melds stand alone or not at all. Then the counting. Everything still stranded in your hand scores against you. Number cards at face value: jacks 11, queens 12, kings 13. Jokers caught in hand cost a brutal 50. And the round's wild cards? 20 each. The game's way of punishing you for hoarding power too long. Record the scores, pass the deal left, add a card, and play on. If the draw pile ever runs dry mid-round, shuffle the discards into a fresh one. After round 11, the round of wild kings, lowest total score takes the game. A moment of royal business. If 5 Crowns sounds like your kind of game, social, easy to learn, wickedly competitive, you'll want people to play it with. Across the Table connects you with live games, events, and teachers near you. No begging, no scheduling chaos, just show up and play. The link is in the description. Let's a game of 5 suits to a game of pure territory. Next in the alphabet is G, Go, the strategy game with rules so simple a child learns them in minutes and depth so vast no human has ever fully mastered it. The court moves east. Click here to watch it now.